Notability is an app that allows you to take notes and annotate PDFs. It's an app that has very basic functionality and should not be used for submitting written assignments that require any type of formatting, such as MLA formatting. It is not intended to be used to write papers. You should be using Pages for all assignments that require specialized formatting. To ensure that your work is backed up somewhere, we strongly recommend that you synchronize Notability with Google Drive. This synchronization is automatic. The only thing you have to do once it is set up is to make sure that any new subject that you create in Notability after you set it up to sync to Google Drive is checked and added to the list of subjects in Notability to back up to Google Drive. You may also back up to iCloud, but it makes more sense to back up to Google Drive as this is the tool that you use to submit assignments into Haiku. There are two ways to access your Google Drive. One is via the internet, and the other is through the Google Drive app. The first step is to create a new folder to back up to on Google Drive. Open the Google Drive on your iPad. You might need to sign in to Google using your Tampa Prep email if necessary. Create a new folder by clicking the plus sign and selecting New Folder from the list. Type in a name for your new folder and click Create. This creates a new folder on Google Drive. Exit out of Google Drive and go back to Notability and locate the gear on the lower left side of the screen. Tap the gear and select Google Drive for your online storage option. Click the gear next to Google Drive. In the Google Drive Settings window, tap the arrow next to the Destination folder. This will open up Google Drive and provide you with a list of all your folders and documents that you have on Google Drive. Select the folder that you wish to back up to. In this case, I will select Notability Docs 2. And then I'm going to tap up in the upper right-hand corner, Back up to Notability Docs 2. Also in the Google Drive Settings folder, you can select the file format you wish to use to save your work. Click on the arrow under File Format and select Note. I would suggest Note as opposed to PDF simply because with the Note option you are allowed to edit your document multiple times. Under Backup These Subjects, you should see a list of all the subjects and folders you've created in Notability. Make sure there's a check mark next to each one to ensure that it's being backed up to Google Drive. Anytime you add a new subject, be sure to come here and check that there's a check mark next to it to ensure backup. After you've made sure that everything is being properly backed up and has been selected, tap the Settings button in the upper left-hand corner, and then tap Close, located in the upper right-hand corner. You have now successfully set up Notability to automatically back up to Google Drive.